One thing that I think people all of a sudden, summer happens and then everything's back to school and they're like, oh my gosh, it's happening. Like, it's almost a holiday in and of itself, isn't it?
It's
like
August 1st. It's crazy already.
Yeah. Dawn is back.
Hi.
She's here, and she's going to be on the show with us twice. We're talking back to school now, then we're going to be talking baby stuff later from Morgan. So, back to school stuff, what do we need to incorporate? Clearly backpacks.
So, yeah, exactly. Backpacks, lunch boxes. So, this is WANDERWILD, and I guess wander everywhere with your backpack and your little stuff. So, this is mom invented, kid designed, and these are backpacks and lunch boxes. You want to hold this one up? Look how cute it is.
So, this one's a little bit more boxy, whereas some are a little bit more
exactly.
backpack style?
It's more of the backpack style. So, these are high quality, durable, and what I love about these, they're washable.
Like
so,
the whole backpack can go?
Yeah, you can wash them all off and stuff so that they'll last all year, school year long, on into the next year. They're really got a great ergonomic design as well, so it's not going to hurt the kids' backs when they're carrying them. And they have really cheerful colors. Like, could you imagine Charlotte with this really other little cute backpack right there?
The
with
flower
all the
one? Yes.
And then they've got the little stuff with the little rockets and stuff for the boys on that. And again, what's really special about this that I love, they can also customize it. So it can say Charlotte. It can be their initials or monogrammed or anything like that. So I really love that. And with all these products right now, you can just go to their websites. It's back to school. They're all kind of doing specials.
I mean, the trend is now for, like seniors in high school to be wearing the kid backpacks. So honestly, anything goes.
And I love it. You put your little water. You can carry this when you travel, Jenny.
Oh, perfect.
Just put that on.
A mini backpack.
Carry it on the plane with you.
I'm okay with it.
Next up, we obviously have lots of crafts happening at back to school. So Surebonder is like my go-to place to go. This is actually the one that I have. This is their ultra mini glue gun. And what's so nice about this one right here is that it will actually shut off within 30 minutes. So let's say if you are doing crafts and stuff with young kids, it'll kind of go off in time. But the next on my list that I'm getting is this one right here. It's the Crafter's Creativity Kit. So it's got a dual tip, but it has 73 glue like little
like the
glue sticks, glue sticks. And again, they've got them in the clear, but they've got them in color, and they have them in sparkle. So what I love about this one is great. You can do paper, wood, ceramics. You can do metal. You can do plastic. You can do fabric. And now it's got a color to it. So like if you're doing a fun patch or you're doing a really fun creativity thing, again, these are really, really affordable. Don't go back to school without them. And again, this is Surebonder.
I love that turns off automatically because guess what? For my wedding, I did the wax seal, and you put it through a glue gun, and I left it on.
Oh no!
Had a mess of. So this is actually very, very smart.
Yes, very smart. So check out Surebonder. And then next is Good For You Girls. Okay. So all you moms out there that have teens or preteens, this is done. It's a skincare line with age-appropriate ingredients for them. This is a really time that they're going through a lot of hormonal changes during puberty. There's no chemicals, dyes, parabens. It's gluten-free, vegan, no fragrance. And again, this is a mom of 2 girls that invented this out of the need for her daughters going through puberty because so many girls are getting in trouble now going to Sephora. They're too young.
They are way
too young. There's stuff in those products that are not good for young girls.
Well, some of this I like avocado oil, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil. I mean, like Arnica. They have some great
They've got great gift sets too, so you can get your daughter started. They're very, very affordable. I love that again, and they've got everything from a cleanser to a toner to a body wash to a lotion. Those are great, but this is just for my girls. Okay, this is just for the girls. Next, I'm obsessed with this product, and even though it's for back to school, I know you can use it. So this is the CC brush. So this was mom created also. I have a lot of those. Jessica did this. So she was struggling to brush her daughter's naughty hair. Like how many moms out there can you agree that happens? So do you see how cool that is?
It's actually really
So this is the CC brush, and this is the spray in style. So what I love about it, it's actually 2-in-1, Jenny. So I want you to do me a favor. I want you to pop off this back of this. And why don't you take a little spray? This can actually hold your kid's detangler. It can hold for us a heat resistant spray like when we're traveling. So it's an all-in-one brush. They've got 2 of these little ones, so you can just pop them in for travel. Jenny loves to travel, but for kids going back to school, what I love about this is if they play sports, they can take this all at once. And I have to tell you, I have used a lot of other brushes out on the market that say that they don't hurt and don't detangle. You can use this wet or dry. And again, I love it. Parents love it. Mom loves it. It's great for kids. Like I said, some of them do swim team and stuff, and the girls have long hair. We're in the Olympics right now. Think of all the sports. This is a go-to. It's $30, under $30. I have, I think, 3 of them. So, and I'm telling you, because we travel a lot. So I want all my hair products with me. Now I can just throw them in these little ones, and they're already in one. 2-in-1 products get me every time.
I don't know why I didn't think of that.
And then lastly, so this is, read who this book is. This is the Self-Education Manual by Gary Gary Dean Peterson. And what I love about this is he's also got a workbook that goes along with it, but it's going to give you the tools and resources, proven study methods to take control of your own learning journey. So basically what it's going to help you do is lean into your own strengths. We all learn differently, so this is great for teachers. Any kids even heading off to college right now, they want to do this. They're not going to have a mom or dad or anybody to help them anymore. This will learn into
hints and everything else.
And it really kind of debunks some ways that you have to learn how to do some stuff. So I love this. Like, I really learned that I'm a visual learner, how I learn, but it's got a workbook and a manual. Again, this is great for teachers, everyone that's heading back to school. I've never had a better book than this.
I loved Cliff Notes.
This is going to help you. This is going to and that's how it's going to teach you, if you're a Cliff Note person, how to study and stuff. So get this too.
Dawn, you're amazing. Where can we go for more info?
Just go to dawnscorner.com and I will hook you up and connect you to all these brands and their websites.
You're the best. Thanks so much for being here. We always love having you.